up, guys? Dassah here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be hair review on this hair right here, you guys. I have a scream. I love when I get like really good quality hair. And you guys, this is from the TYSLE hair. It's 100% human hair. You guys can see the box right here. And you guys, this hair just right out of the box is so look at this right through. Oh my gosh, this hair is so silky. Like, just by looking at it, just look at the quality. Look at the quality. Look at how it flows. Probably one of the nicest quality wigs I have gotten. It is a lace front, so I go ahead and show you guys the part. You guys can see. Look at that scalp. Look at that part. Like, look at the hairline. Like, it looks like it's coming out of my scalp. From the scalp. Oh my gosh. It's just so nice. And this wig is the 20 inches. So I feel like this is like the perfect length. Let me go ahead and show you guys how it looks from behind. You guys, it's super silky, super long. You guys can see the length. I just feel like 20 inches is like the perfect length for me, but I just can't get over like just this, like how silky and just it feels amazing. And you guys, this is gonna be my birthday hair. I'm so excited. My birthday's coming up, Scorpio season, November 12th. So I was really looking for some good quality hair, and this came right on time, you guys. So, oh my gosh, if you guys are looking for really good quality human hair, I'll have the link to this wig in the description. It is 100% human, so you could do everything that you would with your natural hair. It is in the color natural black, which I love. So it looks very natural in the light and everything like that. So also, if you guys would like to see more details about this wig, how the lace is set up, the inside of the wig, how it's constructed and everything, stay tuned for the end of the video. Yes, let me know what you guys think in the comment box below. So you guys, look at this packaging. It says TYSLE's hair, 100% human hair. Really nice packaging. I like the woman they have on here with her hair flowing in the wind. Very cute. It does have the info right here. It's a straight lace front wig, black in 20 inches. It's a natural black, and I'm so excited to unbox it. Oh my gosh, look at this. So nice. It comes in like this little green bag. Oh my gosh, super cute. Let's open it. So in the box, it does come with a thank you card and a little pamphlet on how to take care of the wig, how to wash it, and everything like that. It does come with a 2-piece wig cap. Here is the hair, and it's plastic. Gonna go ahead and take the plastic off. Okay, on the wig, it does say TYSLE's hair, 100% human hair. And also the hair care tips, which I love that. You guys, look at this lace. Oh my gosh. Hair is so silky. Look. Oh my gosh, it's super nice. Let's look at the inside. So you guys can see how the lace is on the inside. Very well made. Comb, lace at the bottom, so if you want that high pony, you could do it. Adjustable straps, combs on the sides. You guys, very well made. I have no complaints. Great quality. It's very silky. Yes. If you guys enjoyed this review, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you guys haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.